fuck off these door cards because someone's already paid for them. A nice guy, so we don't want to keep him waiting.
Podgon Production.
Okay, so I think there's only these two bolts in there. See, I always fuck about so you don't have to. It's this size, which is size T20. I'm gonna spend about 3 hours looking for the fucking driver for it. Oh yeah, there it is. See, if you subscribe finally, oh shit, I just sat in some shit. If you subscribe finally, I'll be able to afford nice tools, nice equipment. I already can afford a tripod, so soon you have some proper awesome footage. Yeah, but it's not you to thank, it's me selling my car parts to give you the quality footage. So it should be you watching my videos so I can get some dineros. That's how it should be. Oh yeah. That's alright, I forgive you for that. So here the door card just pulls off, so here's 2 bolts. And that's it, just fucking pull. You can pull with your fingers on the other side. And then you're gonna undo this. So this bad boy you gotta unscrew. And I can't even fucking unscrew it. Anyway, we need a little bucket for all our screws and stuff, so don't lose shit. Okay, so now you can chuck everything you take off into a bucket. Bang. This back on. Then get yourself one of these tools. And obviously get it under there, and you see all them clips are coming up nicely. So you can also do that. Rather than ripping it. Ripping it can break your clips. So be gentle with it, like you are. Like you should be with it like there. Oh. And here we go, here we go. It's hanging off. Oh shit. Okay, so I was saying shit about this, that you might come across this situation where this rips off. This is fine. We're gonna glue them back on. Because we're nice. And it's all gonna be kushte. So then it's just hanging off literally by its nuts. Oh yeah, last clip. Okay, so one panel ready. Gonna take this to our garage and just give it a good old wipe, stick these back on, and that's it. Oh, you also need to carefully take these clips off because they're important. Get a screwdriver, and you see its little teeth in there. You need to carefully pop them out. You don't want this plastic to break in your hands, because then you'll have more to glue and you'll have pain in the ass. Fuck me, man, it started to rain again. Even though it's sunny, it still decides to rain in this country. That's why I want to get the fuck out of here to somewhere with sunshine and pineapples and mangoes and trees and trees and trees of Mary Jane everywhere. That's where I want to move. So carefully, you know, just do all this shit. I'll take them all off. Can you see anything? No, you can't see shit, can you? Sun, rain, and everything, man. And everything. There you go. You can see a little bit now. Oh yeah, baby. So then we just stick all this together for our matey. Oh yeah, we're also gonna take the insulation for him. Maybe he doesn't have it, so he'll be extra happy.